How to invite someone on Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can invite someone on Clubhouse. So how do you invite someone? The first step is to log in into your Clubhouse account, just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. On your profiles page, click on settings. And then on this page, you'll see a number of options. So scroll down until you can see the invitation or share option. If you cannot find it here, go back to the main page. And on this page, you can see share and then settings. So just click on share. All right. So by clicking on share, you can see different options for you to share using your using any of these methods, using quick share, share me, WhatsApp, and the likes. So by the time you share this particular icon, this particular profile rather, whoever clicks on it would be required to download the Clubhouse application if they don't have it. But if they do, they'll have access to your profile and then they can easily recommend other people to Clubhouse. So this is the trick. This is how you can invite someone on Clubhouse. Just click on your profile icon, click on share, select your medium. Is it by SMS? Is it by WhatsApp or your other social media accounts? Try them out and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.